sand and rocks in your face.
You must look like a crazy person.
Businesswoman.
It's very modern.
Bisous.
It does tend to be quite windy in summer in Cape Town, especially over December, January, February is what it is. It's still beautiful, doesn't, take away, but it gets unpleasant at times. Today is fine, but we have a very strong wind called the southeaster, and it just, it makes like walking outside impossible, unpleasant. It's very exhausting. Well, I think it's quite similar in terms of strength, but because specifically my hometown, it's very sandy. It's by the desert, so you have the strong wind plus some sand and rocks in your face. Not so nice. Have a little turmeric latte over here with oat milk and flat white with oat milk.
Show me your tongue. No more.
No. Our food has arrived, and we've got a Reuben sandwich, some miso mushrooms, and just some granola with yogurt.
Bisous. There's something else we would like to show you. We really like some house that are in my neighborhood. It's called Igovel, and we thought that it would be a good idea to show you some of our favorite houses. To start, so this is Igovel neighborhood, and you have a very good view on Table Mountain. Mm-hmm. And look at what's happening on the mountains. It does the thing called the tablecloth.
Show us a reenactment of your morning walk that you do. It's quite a steep uphill.
It's very steep. And I finished by some...
You must look like a crazy person running backwards. You're very cool.
It's just here, and it's you can see the full house on YouTube. Maybe I will put the link below. It's amazing. The man can basically take shower outside. Oh fuck, that's a good view. Lion's Head here for the people that do see a lion, or people that do not see a lion. Try to pause the video and to see if you can see a lion. We're gonna very soon arrive to two of my favorite houses here. It's absolutely amazing. What I like is that one looks like quite a little bit European, I would say, but the next one looks very like jungle vibes. This house, I really like it. Cannot really see it, but looks, it's basically in the mountains. Screen looks like in jungle. What's funny is that just front of it there's like almost a dead place, and you have this amazing view on the city. Okay, you think about this woman going to help me to film videos, and she's doing the business woman talking on her phone. What's also funny is that the street that we went to is here, but look, you're basically in the middle of the nature, because from here you can already start a hike. This house is also very nice. I really like it.
I feel it's very modern.
This one, Alita doesn't like it. I do like it. I think it's quite interesting. It looks like an English cottage a little bit. The garden is very well. Oh yeah, in front it's an apartment that I almost rent last year and I didn't, but it was quite cute. For those who wonder about safety in Cape Town, obviously it's the main question. Do you feel it's not safe here? This neighborhood is very safe. I can tell you 100%. I even hear a story this week about someone that forgot to lock his home when he left for 1 week and nothing happened. Not telling that Cape Town is super secure, I'm telling this neighborhood is quite secure. Okay, what do we do now? We go up or should we go down? There's some also nice house there. This one is also very nice. It's quite new because last year they were in construction. Gives me architect vibes. And we're still on this amazing view and this amazing view on Namibia. Sorry we missed one of my favorite house because there was a man standing in front that was clearly not happy we're here filming. So it's gonna be for next time. It's back to my street. We are back home now. It's not as big as the previous house, but it's still cute.